guys, so we are back in Odori and nandito tayo ngayon sa shop kung saan kayo pwede makahanap ng mga second hand plushies of Pokemon. Ito guys ay Surugaya in Sapporo. So ito guys yung laman ng glass cabinet nila. So pag naka-glass cab mostly, yun yung mga rare items. Like tulad nitong Joltik. Dami nilang Joltik diba? Most of the time ay mabilis maubos. Kaya sila nandyan. So considered rare yan guys. May hyperfixation ako recently sa Pokemon na yan kay Applin. Parang natetenta ko i-collect lahat ng Applin plush. Kasi tuwang-tuwa ako sa shape ng apple. So ito guys yung laman ng glass cup. Tapos ito naman yung mga shells. So mostly mga nandito, mga Pokemon fit. So Furlough, brown plush spot. Swablu, Vaporeon na Karaginer. Mga Pokemon fit guys, mostly yung mga nandito. Then meron din si Alakazam na Pokemon fit, brown tag pa. Mas laki ng Dragonite pero hindi siya guys Pokemon Center na brand. Hindi din siya Pokemon Center. Delibird, Munchlax. Magkano to? Magkakal 700. Uy, matagal ko lang hinahanap to guys. Buti na lang nag-recheck tayo. Okay, kukunin ko to. Isa. Uy, ang na letter F. Pwede may liking-liking. Brown tag for 1,700 yen. Yan lang. Dito tayo next. Chansey. Okay, so fluffy na Gengar. Pero hindi ito Pokemon Center, right? Hindi nga. This is not a Pokemon Center brand. Let's check again here. Smoochum. This is a Gengar Pokédoll, right? Gengar Pokédoll for 1,900 yen. Tapos guys, dito sa baba ay Ghost types? I think so, pero may halo kasi. Uy, for Furfro. Ay, wala kasing tag. Blissey. Chandelure. 4-3 with paper tag. Another Chandelure. Another Chandelure. Another Chandelure. This is Sun A. While this one is Pokemon Center. Compare natin which is tingin natin yung mas maganda. This is the Sun A1. Wow, this is the Pokemon Center one. I think the Sun A1 holds its lamp better compared to the Pokemon Center one, in which, look at the lamps. It's drooping. Right? It's drooping. Let's look again. Yeah, there's a Sandygast. Doublade. Pokemon Fit. Cinccino. Minccino Fuwa. Malaki. It's 5,500 yen guys. Ambipom. Substitute. And more of substitute. Let's look at the bottom. It's a Graveyard Fuwa. What's this one? It's a Dunsparce guys. The Dunsparce Pokemon plush. 2,300 yen. This is, what's your name again? Oh, I forgot. Then Miltank. Regis. Our Pokemon set. All creamy. So far, ito pa lang yung nakikita natin. Dito tayo sa kabilang shelf. Dito naman na tayo sa taas. Okay. It's a Galarian Ponyta. Ooh. Tinkaton? So big. Fido. Let's see if we can find any rare Pokemon plush here. I think this is rare. The Deoxys attack form. Oh, no. This is the speed form of Deoxys. Though wala na siyang paper tag. Wala na dito. Ito, I like this Pokemon. One of my faves. Pero meron ako kasing dalawa nito. Hindi na natin susundan ng pangatlo. Dito tayo sa next shelf. It's Cleffa. Oh, this is not Pokemon Center. It's Banpresto. Ooh, Centiskorch? Is this Centiskorch? Ooh, the magnetic Goodra and the magnetic Goodra, right? Ayan guys, nadidikit to ng magnet. Ayan o. May magnet sila, tingnan nyo. Didikit yan. Paano? Basta dumidikit to sila. Ayan, dumikit na sila. How much is this? Mahal, 4,100 yen. Tingnan pa natin kung ano makikita natin dito sa likod. Baka may mga nakatago-tago. Oh, Asilio Pokemon Fit. Medium. Okay. Mudkip. Dusknoir. Hindi ko alam kung anong types yung nandito. Magkahalo na kasi. Poison ata. Poison and dark. Think so. Wala tayong nakita dito. Next here. Tatsugiri. Oh, there's a Snom sa likod. Snom. Wala dito. What this one? Oh, it's a Victreebel. Oops! This one is quite rare. The Fomantis Pokemon, the Lurantis Pokemon Fit. Ooh. Totodile. A furry Totodile. This one. The Yokohama, the World Championship Sprigatito. That was released during the World Championships in Yokohama. Oh, I like this one. What's this? Stunfisk Pokemon Canvas. For how much? 1,900 yen. Oh, quite expensive. Work. Tapos meron din dito yung Gumi na Psycho Soda. For how much is this one? Okay, 1,900 yen. Let's look for other items here. Sa baba. Oh, I think this is a vintage Bulbasaur. No? Oh. Oh, the quack. The Quackavao. How much? Oh, 7,700 yen. With no paper tag. Quite expensive. Let's look for... Oh! The Holoquack. How about the others here? Let's look. Oops! So minasen. Yeah. It's a Pansage Pokédog. Greninja Pokemon Fit. I don't see any new plushes here. Let's look here below. Ooh. It's a Whiscash Pokemon Fit. This is quite rare already. This one. Remember the name? Ooh. It's a big Torterra. I think this is the Pokemon Center Torterra. How much is the price of this? Ooh, for 5,800 yen? I think it's a steal, no? Let's look. Ooh, it's a Feraligatr Pokemon Fit. Oh, look. It's a Zeraora, which they recently released the Mega Evolution in Pokemon Legends ZA Mega Dimension. How about in this section? Can we check? In this section mostly are the big plushies. Well, except for this Poliwag. Ooh. It's a big Totodile. Pichus. Oh, this is a big Gyarados. What's the brand? Ah, Sun A. Okay. Ah, this is a Banpresto Palafin, I guess. Oh, look. It's a Feebas with brown paper tag. How much? Oh, mahal. 3,400 yen. That's quite pricey. Okay, it's a Darmanitan. I transferred, guys, here. So, I transfer ako here sa fire types. So these are the fire types. Well, except for this one. These are not fire types. This is what I mean. Like Charizard. Yeah, this is the fire type section. But nandito si Pomod, tsaka si... What's your name? I forgot. Basta fire type, pero bakit nandyan sila? So this is the fire type section. It's a score. It's a big score bunny. And guys, look ko, merong Pokemon Collection 2017. Look, it's a chunky Charizard. Kawaii. For 1,800 yen. Ooh, that's cheap. Of course, they have type lotion. Then, ba't merong lampent dito? Well, ditong section yung Eevees and Pikachus. Oh, I think this is a Gigantamax Eevee. Oh, it is. What? Gigantamax Eevee? Ah, no paper tag though. No paper tag though. Oh, for 4,500 yen? Oh, not bad, guys. Oh, a Gigantamax Eevee. It's quite rare already, no? So, there's Umbreon, Espeon, then the Sleeping Glaceon. Sleeping Glaceon. Vaporeon Pokemon Fit. So, basically, this is the Eevee and the Pikachu section. I won't ruin the shelf. Okay. Oh, look. Agatita. Oh, the tag is crumpled. Too bad. Oh, Jirachi. Sun A Jirachi for 1,500 yen. And Amana. Oh. too bad the paper tag is crumpled for 1,300 yen. So basically that's it. Oops, I dropped my Swirlix winter cap. Yeah, so basically this is the shelves, guys. So the Pokemon plushie. If you're a collector and you happen to go here in Sapporo, you can visit Surugaya. I'll put the address here below so you can visit in your next Sapporo trip. Meron tayong stopover. Syempre, as fan, hindi natin dapat tumalagpasan. We're here. Pokemon Center Sapporo.
8には体に時が入れば、
Sumimasen.
飛びして、
Tingnan natin guys kung ano yung pabibili natin dito. Pabubudol ba tayo dito? Let's go on a tour. Tour. Ngayon pala yung release ng ano, diba? Yung Eevee. Oh. There's so many Eevees. Eevee socks. Evolution socks like Jolteon, Flareon, Vaporeon socks. Oh, and Espeon, Umbreon, up until Sylveon. Amazing. Pero hindi yun yung ano natin. Ang ating goal ay makahanap ng Litten. Hala, parang wala nang Litten na Pokemon Fit. Oh no, what the heck? Really? They only have the Torracat. Oh no, they don't have the Litten anymore. Wala din guys sa Fukuoka, di ba? Nung bumili tayo. Wala na dito. Check ko nga sa online. It's already out of stock. Like this one. Sayang. So siya na lang ang kulang natin to complete. You know, the Alolan. Wala na siya. Mag-ikot na lang tayo guys. Let's see kung anong makikita natin dito. Meron ding the Pokédolls. They're still here. And the Forget. These are the same items that we've seen in different Pokemon centers, no? It's just like the same things. As well as with the Sitting Cuties. It's just the same. Natin guys yung bagong release na Eevee. Wala na ba? Ay, ito pala. Ito guys, yung bago. Jolteon, Flareon. Ay, ito yung tag nila. Ay! How cute. Vaporeon. It's nice. And iba-iba guys yung tag syempre. Kung Umbreon yung tag. Jolteon yung tag. Vaporeon. Eevee. Right there. And Sylveon. Leafeon. Glaceon. Oh, they are so cute. Yeah, as well as the bags. Look, there's a Sylveon bag for 3,300 yen. Glaceon, Leafeon, and Umbreon bags. So cute. So these are the recent release, right? These are released in the Pokemon centers like just today, but released online on the 19th. There's also a pillow. Like, look guys, there's also a pillow sa taas. And different towels, ganon. Let's see, mabubudol ba tayo? And there's patches as well. Let's just wait for the people to, subside over there. There's also patches. I think these are patches, right? There's Sylveon patch, Espeon patch, and the Glaceon patch. The evolution patches are right over the top. So cute! And tingnan nyo guys yung fabric nila. It's like so soft. It reminds me of the fabric of the old Pokédolls. Somehow the fabric and the texture looks like this. So, the Eevee is so cute. And this Jolteon. No, this is Vaporeon, Flareon, and Jolteon. But I really like the Umbreon one. The black is so striking. It's very, very cute. And Sylveon is very cute too. And look guys, there are bags as well. Like these are the Flareon bag. Oh, there's only one remaining. Oh, last one for Flareon. I think this sold out very fast. There's a charm as well. What charm is this? Is this like imitating the fur of Eevee? This one as well for Vaporeon, Flareon. As well as Jolteon. And the entire line guys up to Sylveon, which is color pink. And what's this one? This is like a coaster or something. They have different types as well, and it's only 880 yen. And they also have clear files. If you're a collector of clear files, they do also have like with the Eevee and the entire evolutions, Vaporeon, Flareon, Jolteon, Espeon. This is a very, very cute. So if you are a big fan of the evolution line, you're going to be in trouble, guys. Because ang dami nilang ni-release. Like, ang dami nilang ni-release for this new collection of the evolution. And if you're planning to collect them all, you will be in big trouble. Good luck to you guys. These are the same stuff that we've seen in Hakata, in Pokemon Center Fukuoka. Like the Tyranitar, Kyogre, Groudon. I haven't seen this one in person. This is like mimicking, Abra trying to escape. That's why it does have this pantale. Ooh. I still remember this Abra. This was released like around February and it still hasn't sold out yet. Okay. And right below are the Pokemon trainer plushies, which I'm not familiar of. Natitempt ako guys na kunin ni si Vaporeon. Pero pag binili ko kasi siya, naku, dyan mag-uumpisa yung temptation na i-collect silang lahat. So if you start with one, you're gonna end up collecting them all, and it's going to be a big trouble, At least for me, since hindi ako makatulog hanggat di ko sila nakukumpleto. Let's roam around and let's see kung ano pang ating makikita. So they also have the sleeves. No, these are, I think so, no? Are these card sleeves? I'm not really sure. We've already seen this stuff in Fukuoka.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. And of course, guys, the regular plush of the Legend ZA starters. They have the Chikorita, the Tepig, and then the Totodile. Wala na silang stock ng Litten. Shoot, sana pala bumili na ako before. Out of stock na siya. Like lahat guys ng Alola na collect ko except yun, siya na lang. Sayang. See, basically lahat ng to meron na ako eh. Yun na lang talaga. Sayang naman. Baka meron pa dito. Nakatago lang. Wala na ba? Wala na nga ata. Wala na ba kayo? Wala na nga ata, babe. Wala na. I think that's it.